Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are here to explain about our report or final report about the empowerment of the Al-Amin Learning Center in Segambut, Malaysia, implementation of numeracy literacy through community service program, and my team, there are Pradita Putri Angelika, then Anissa Dwi Agustin, and I am Aminatul Zuhriya. Okay, before I explain it, I will give you the overview. First is introductions, then program execution, result and discourse, then impressive experience, then community service program impact, and last is closing. Okay, first is about introduction. Kuliah Kerja Nyata or Community Service Program International Partnership has provided a valuable opportunity for us to devote ourselves to Sanggar Bimbingan Al-Amin Segambut, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This program not only serves as a channel to channel the knowledge we have acquired on the lecture bench, but also as a bridge to strengthen the bonds of mercy between nation, Indonesia and Malaysia. Sanggar Bimbingan Al-Amin, with a warm and familiar atmosphere, become our second home for a full month. The diversity of students from different social backgrounds is a unique challenge for us to be able to adopt and provide effective learning. The purpose of this community service program is to make a positive contribution to the surrounding community through beneficial activities. Specifically, the objective we want to achieve are, first is improving the quality of education for Sanggar Bimbingan Al-Amin students, especially in the field of literacy and numeration. And the second is introduction Indonesian cultural richness to Malaysian society. Especially to Sanggar students, we aim to foster positive connections between Indonesian students and Malaysian society. And last is cultivate a sense of social concern and a spirit of cooperation in students. Okay, next I will explain about program execution. Okay, our program execution first is number literacy program. The numeration literacy program is carried out with a variety of interesting and interactive learning methods, such as game-based learning, then project-based learning, and the last is use of variety learning media. Okay, I will explain it one by one. From the game-based learning, we have developed a variety of educational games that can help students understand mathematical concepts more easily. Then project-based learning, students are invited to complete small projects related to the mathematical material being studied. And last is use of variety learning media, such as image, video, and security tools to clarify the material delivered. And the second program execution is Introduction to the Dancing Culture of Manuk Dadali. In the Dance Culture Introductions program of Manuk Dadali, we conduct several stages of learning, namely basic movement learning, then movement series learning, then routine workout, and last is performance. Students are taught the basic movement of Manuk Dadali dance gradually. After mastering basic movements, students are taught more complex movement. After that, students are trained routinely to improve agility, strength, and body coordinations. And the last is the culminations of the program is Manuk Dadali dance performance involving all participants. And the third program executions is about identifications of heroes through Indonesian media. Performance to introduce the national heroes to the students. We use the Indonesian paper money medium as a tool. We choose some heroic characters who have inspiring stories and are relevant to student life. This activity is done in the following way. First is we give a presentations about the lives and struggle of the heroes. Then discussion. We will discuss to dig into students' understanding of the values contained in the struggle of hero. And last is we conduct a quiz to test students' understanding of the submitted material. Okay, and the last program execution is Indonesian's Independence Day celebration. Indonesian Independence Day celebration have become the most effective moments during the community service program. Various exciting races such as the bread eating race, then the coloring race, and the last is the careful smart race have been arranged to organize the event, and the enthusiasm of the students was very high. They participated with enthusiasm and compactness. Okay. For the next presentations, will be explained to my friend Radita Putri Angelica. Time in, please.
Okay, thank you. Next, a result and discourse. A true evaluation of the program that have been implemented show a very satisfactory result. Numeration literacy program, for example, has improved the average score of students in mathematics subject. This can be seen from the pre-test and post-test result performed before and after the completion of the program. Besides student reading interest in mathematics themes, books also increased significantly. The Manuk Dadali Dance Culture Introduction Program not only successfully introduced traditional Indonesian dance, but also increased student confidence. Some students who were initially embarrassed to perform in public now dare to perform the dance in front of their friends and family. In fact, there were some students who took the initiative to form a dance group at their school. The Hero Identification Program through Indonesian financial media has also had a positive impact. Students become more familiar with the history of the Indonesian nation and have a sense of pride as citizens in Indonesia. This is evident from the increasing knowledge of students about the figure of national heroes and their role in the struggle of independence. However, in the implementation of the program, we also face some obstacles. One of the most frequently encountered constraint in language difference. Although most students can communicate in Indonesian, there are still some students who have difficulty understanding or explanation. To overcome this constraint, we use simple language and more gesture. Next, impressive experience. During community service program, we not only gain learning experience, but also valuable life experience. The Indonesian Independence Day celebration with the student of Sanggar Bimbingan Al-Amin has become one of the most beautiful memories. The atmosphere of enthusiasm and unity that was created and that time was really shaking. Besides, we also witnessed a remarkable transformation in the student time service. Seeing those students who are initially shy become more confident to perform in public is a special satisfaction for us. This success is not without the support and hospitality of the local people who have created an enabling environment for student growth. Next will be presented by Anissa Dwi Agustin.
Okay, I will explain about community service program impact. This international partnership has had significant impact not only on the students under Bimbingan Al-Amins, but also on us as students in college and on Indonesia-Malaysia bilateral relations. For student, improve his academic achievement, especially in mathematics, improve his confidence and communication skill, expanding expanding insight into Indonesian and Malaysian culture, cultivate the love of the homeland and the spirit of nationality. So Sanggar Bimbingan Al-Amin, there are innovative and exciting learning programs, improve the quality of education in Sanggar. It has good cooperation with college in Indonesia. For students in college, improve the ability to design and implement learning programs. Improve his communication skill and adaptation to the new environment. Expanding the network of friends and enhancing the life experience. For Indonesian-Malaysia bilateral relation, strengthening relation between the two countries through culture and educational activities, enhance mutual understanding and tolerance between the communities of the two countries. And the last, closing, Sanggar Bimbingan Al-Amin has been a very valuable experience for us. We hope this program can be an example for other community service program activities and can make a greater contribution to the community. Through this community service program, we realize that education is not only about the transfer of science, but also about the formation of human character and value. We also recognize that cross-culture cooperation is crucial to building a better future. We extend our thanks to all those who have supported the implementation of this convention, especially to the Muhammadiyah University of Jember and the Muhammadiyah University of Ponorogo, as well as to all the staff and students of Sanggar Bimbingan Al-Amin Gambut. May the grace that has been embraced to continue to benefit us all. That's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.